to from there to there.
Oh, my legs stand. I'm good.
But when you come down,
Move my chair back.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm trying to straighten my legs out.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, that's because if he had his legs, if he didn't have the wheelchair.
Ooh, wiggle, 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 wiggle.
What? He could do more if he didn't have that.
Alright, press stop.